Hi guys. So few more days at home. Uh, let's talk about something that's just around the corner, and I'm talking about mass transit on the 4th of May 2020. And mass transit is sort of going to impact a lot of our zodiacs, all of the zodiacs, in fact, in one way or the other. So I thought it's important that we discuss the impact of Mars transiting into Aquarius and how is it going to affect each and every sun sign. So in old history, Mars is the god of war, and in Vedic astrology, Mars is warm, Mars is radiant, Mars represents our home, our finances, our personal life. Mars represents all things red, our head, face. So, yes, Mars represents a lot of things. And with Mars transiting from Capricorn, which is an earth sign, to Aquarius, which is an air sign, a lot of changes are in store for all of us. So, and not to forget, Mars, it's a planet of valor. It's going to bring a lot of strength, a lot of energy, determination in all of us. So I think we should all be making the most of it. Now, as we talk of the changes that Mars is going to bring, let's talk about it with each zodiac. Aries. The first thing is that Aries, for you, I think you should begin few next weeks by wearing red on Mondays. Mars transiting into Aquarius, Aries, this is your governing planet. So it's going to fill you up with a lot of action. There's only good news for you, good things happening your way. Your career looks up and bright. There's a lot that you can do. So if there's something that I would want you to know is that this is the time where you should not be allowing anything to take a back seat. You should be upfront, getting things done. For Taurus, an excellent period, but specifically for your work, for your career, excellent opportunities are going to present themselves to you. So make the most of it, and this is the time where you can completely energize your profession. For Geminis, this is a phenomenal transit. I think while we are all at home, for Geminis, this is a time where you add another feather to your cap. See, lockdown is just an excuse, and there's still a lot that we can do. So, what the Geminis should be doing is enhancing their skills, brush up. If you're a chef, if you're a painter, if you're a writer, if you are a makeup artist, technology driven, anything, just brush up your skills, try getting an online course, and trust me, you'll thank me later when everything is back to normalcy. You'll feel that how these improved skills are proving to be a magic wand in your hand. For Cancerians, this period was a big win because I see beautiful changes in your personal life, and your health is going to improve. Your relationships are going to improve. So you should be thankful. The concerns are going to fade away, and especially the financial concerns. I see them fading away. For Leos, uh, Mars is friendly with Sun, and Sun is your ruling planet, which is a good thing. So things are not going to be stagnant, things are going to move. But the only thing that you need to take care of is that Leo and Aquarius both are fixed signs, so there can be a lot of heat, there can be a lot of conflicts and arguments. So heads up already so that you can take care of it. For Virgos, there's just one thing that I would like to tell you, that your health needs all sort of precautions, that your health is a cause of concern. Your focus should be your health. Take a pen and a paper, sit down, make a chart, and make sure that you bring all the positive changes in your life because your health demands it. Get to work. Libras, Mars is supporting you in all the possible ways. Pick the opportunities and act, because it is said that the present opportunities should be considered because they might not present themselves twice to you. So don't let an opportunity slip away. Make the most of it. For Scorpios, uh, Mars is your ruling lord, so Scorpions are going to be affected by this transit in the most possible way. Your emotions are going to be intensified. Problems might last a little longer than you might have imagined. So, take this time to communicate with your friends and your family. Open up, talk, and also don't forget to clean your house, clean the energies around you. That's the need of the hour, and make sure that you stay hydrated, a lot of water. This will help you flush away the negativity inside you. Sagittarius, this time is going to present to you the opportunity of standing out. So grab it and do whatever you can to get the attention you wanted, whatever you were waiting for. Also, double check everything that you do. If you're signing something, double check it. Check your inboxes, check your mails. You might find out something quite important and you might thank me later for that. Capricorns, for Capricorns, there's only one tip that I have for you: control your expenditure, control your cost, and focus should be long-term planning. For Aquarius, because the transit is in your zodiac, this is the time of making your dreams turn into reality. Your goals, you'll certainly see that those far-fetched goals now seem closer, and you can actually achieve what you were longing for. So I think you should be working on it. For Piscians, I think you should be working behind the scenes, like this. Let me show you. Yeah, work behind the scenes. You know why? Because very soon, sooner than you realize, the transit from Aquarius is going to be in your zodiac. Once Mars moves into your zodiac, there's going to be a lot of action, a lot of things coming up your way, a lot of opportunities. You'll be filled with a lot of energy and determination. So until then, I think what's needed is preparation, working on your goals quietly, fixing up the problems, bug fixes, and just working silently on your goals, and then when the time comes, hit it. So yeah, till then, take it easy. By taking it easy, I don't mean go slow. No, work hard, work harder, prepare yourself. No announcements until then. That's how you are going to welcome the Mars transit into your zodiac. So yes, this is how each zodiac is going to be affected, and I hope you can make the most of it, and I hope this helps. Stay safe, stay home.